What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Jeep Grand Cherokee remote key fob. This Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now, most of the time, these cases can be opened just with your fingers. So if you put your thumb on the button pad like this, and then I'm going to come over here and put a couple fingers right here, then I'm just going to pull like that, and you can see that's how that splits apart. Now, if you're unable to do that, what you may want to do is grab a screwdriver. If you get a small flathead screwdriver, I'm going to come in here in between the two halves of the case like this and use that just to pry up. Either way, once you get your case opened, in the back half of the case we see our battery right here. This battery will just pull out of that holder. Then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing the new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first where this metal clip is. So tuck that edge in first and then snap the battery down into place. And then to put this back together, what you want to do is take your back half like this, then grab your circuit board with your button pad and set it down in here. And make sure that the button pad is pushed all the way down. Then I'm going to take the front and push the front on and snap that down. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.